Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about topographical study of district Tharparkar. Topographically, the district can be divided into the following four sections. Number 1 desert, number 2 flat areas, number 3 hilly areas, and number 4 marshy land. The desert covers the area from Cholistan Desert in Punjab to Nagar Parkar in Tharparkar district. It consists of barren tract of sand ridges covered with thorny bushes. The ridges are irregular and roughly parallel, and they often enclose sheltered valley above which the dunes rise to a height of 46 meters. After a rain spell, these valleys become fertile enough for cultivations. But if the land is not cultivated, it yields luxuriant trough of grass to be used as a fodder for livestock. There are some tracts called Parkar in the Nagar Park area. This region is a flat region with alluvial deposit comprising of sandy, salty and salty plain areas, thereby giving the name Tharparkar to the district. The tracts cover about 500 square kilometers at the junction of the Great Run of Kutch and the Third Desert. Karanjar Hills are only the hills in the Nagar Parkar Talka on the northern edge of Run of Kutch. It consists of granite rocks, probably an outlying mass of the crystalline rocks of the Aravalli Range. This is in Samal area, quite different from the desert. The tracts leading to the mountain is flat and level except in the area close to Nagar Parkar itself, where there is an extensive area of elevated land known as Karanjar Hills. The Karanjar Hills are approximately 19 km in length and attain the height of 305 meters. There are Samal Hills in the east, which are covered with spare jungle and pasturage and give rise to two perennial springs. The granite stone of this mountain is used as a building material. In the south of district is the Run of Kutch, which is an immense saltwater marsh. It is flinted almost at sea level, covered with a thick layer of salt which has been left by the evaporation of seawater over the course of centuries. During the monsoon, it becomes almost a part of the Arabian Sea due to the influx of seawater at Lakhpat Bandar on Kori and mouth of the Indus as well as on other locations. During the winter, the Run of Kutch dries up and the surface is covered with salt again. During the annual flooding of the region, at place where the land rises a few meters above the surrounding plains, the elevated land become an island surrounded by the rising water and is called Bait. There is no stream of fresh water in the district. The Karanjar Mountains and the Samalar Hills in the east are covered with spare jungle and pasturage. Two perennial springs named Achaleshwar and Sardro originated from the hills, as well as temporary stream called Betiani and Godhdo after rain. The district lies in the arid zone, the soil of which are generally sandy to sandy loam in texture. The soil in Tharparkar in general is not fertile, and due to severe wind erosion, the district is overblown with sand. The subsoil is extraordinarily saline, resulting in shortage of potable water. The soils improve in fertility from west and northwest to east and northeast. The desert soils belong from coastal region as well as Indus Valley. The Thar thus consists mainly of a wind-blown sand. The area is covered not only by sheet of sands but also rocky projections of low elevations which constitute the older rocks of the country. Some of these soils contain a high percentage of soluble salts, especially in the lower horizons, turning water in the wells poisonous, and they contain varying amount of calcium carbonate. Water is scarce and occur at depths ranging from 30 to 120 meters below the ground level, and sweet water is scarce throughout Thar. Drought occurs with a lack of rain every third year. The district has a tropical desert climate. In summer, it is extremely hot during the day, but nights are significantly cooler. April, May, and June are the hottest months during the day. December, January, and February are the coldest months. May is the hottest month when the mean maximum and minimum temperature are 42 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius respectively. January is the coldest month when the mean, maximum and minimum temperature are 27 degrees Celsius and 6 degrees Celsius. There are wide fluctuations in amount of rainfall from year to year, and the annual average for some areas is as low as 100 mm. Most of the rainfall between July and September during the southwest monsoon and is often concentrated in a period of 2 to 3 days. Average annual rainfall in the district recorded from 1991 to 2006 has been 213 mm.